Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is ineffable. Let's discover what this beautiful word means. Ineffable describes something so extraordinary, beautiful, or emotional that it cannot be fully expressed in words. Some moments are simply beyond description. Here's an example. Standing beneath the northern lights was an ineffable experience that I will never forget. This means the beauty of the moment was so overwhelming that words could not fully describe it. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word ineffable? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.